Describing Miss Universe 2015, Pia Wurtzbach became a closed-door meeting with President Benigno Noy Aquino III in his courtesy call in Malacanang Palace on Tuesday, January 26. Presented by Pia, they discussed the president's brief interview with Boy Abunda on homecoming tribute prepared for him by ABS-CBN last night, January 28. Joke: reigning Miss Universe, no personal disgust, because my mom was sitting beside me. But he recovered, kidding aside, no, because I'm very natural with him. I just asked him what his plans with his 50+ days remaining before he finishes his term, what he will do after, if he rest. In instances like this, Pia Aquino asked about the response to the Q&A portion of the prestigious beauty pageant, particularly about the U.S. military presence in the country. He said that when you triggered the comments of the leftists, then you know that you did something right, said the smiling 26-year-old beauty queen. Meanwhile, also asked the president, said Pia, about his interest in joining politics. And the advice of her Raw Aquino, I think you should really think about it 5 times. He said, I think Raw 5 times more. Finally, Raw greeted by the President Pia 6 years his leadership in the Philippines. I always thought he was a good leader with good governance. I told him that. I congratulated him for a successful term and he congratulated me in the Miss Universe. Before the interview about the meeting with Aquino, Boy asked if he saw a special interest in him Aquino. Pia replied, no, I think he was very professional.
Sa balay, nagis ng bahay, wala buhat sa tagat. Nag-iiga, sinasangatan, wapalugit sa kong nanay. Kanya naabot si Juan, nagdalaog, pakwan na alert ang nanay. Kaya pakwan sa makatamis, sa dalagang ipasok sa dalan. Ay pastilan, imuto na tanang umangka sa pakwan. Naglaway pagyusiwan sa katamisa. Ay pastilan, imuto na tanang umangka sa pakwan. Naglaway pagyusiwan sa katamisa. Pakwa samot kalapia, pakwan samot akong mataliksikan. Makitan, yuduli sa kuwang pakwan, kuwang pakwan. Umuuwan, samot kalapia, pakwan samot akong mataliksikan. Makitan, yuduli sa kuwang pakwan, kuwang pakwan. Umuuwan, samot kalamiya, pakwan samot akong mataliksikan. Pakitan, yun pakwan. Kung muuwan, samot kalami ang pakwan. Samot na kung matalik, sikan makitan. Yudin liso sa puwang nga pakwan, puwang nga pakwan. Kung muuwan, samot kalami ang pakwan. Samot na kung matalik,